We can see that the theories that are related to translation stem from various different disciplines, and this is what we mean when we talk about translation as an interdiscipline. And one of the objectives, of course, of this unit is to understand that theories of translation are inherently interdisciplinary. So you can see that theories come from branches of linguistics, which of course is quite an obvious link to make, moving into literary theory, cultural studies, communication studies, but even going so far as, of course, machine translation and artificial intelligence. And the theories that are related to translation, of course, continue to grow, continue to develop. So that's something we're going to track as well in this unit. Another definition now, which is what is a theory? Simply a way of looking at something or a way of gaining a particular point of view on something, a better understanding of something. So when we talk about translation theory, we're wanting to understand not only the product better, as I said earlier, so why this translation in effect is the way it is, but also understanding the process of translation. And a lot of these theories will actually assist you in your translation, helping you to make your translations better. Why do we study translation history? Well, it's of course very important to know the origins of your discipline, so that's one obvious example. But also importantly to reflect on the changing position of translators in society. During this unit, I'm going to ask you at various different points to reflect on your role as a translator, how you imagine your role as a translator now, right at the beginning of the course, how you might imagine your role as a translator in 2 months' time, and also how you'll imagine your role as a translator at the end of this unit. And I imagine the way in which you'll imagine that role will change over time. Similarly, the role of translators in society has changed dramatically over the course of history, and translators have often played very, very pivotal roles in the development of things like national languages, and also their role can be quite political in many ways. So it's important to understand what your role as a translator will be, how translators have functioned in different societies at different times, and also understanding that you're not just a word engineer, as the case may be, but a thinking translator and also a professional, which is quite important to realise. Another activity I'd like you to do, based on Bassinet's short chapter that I've asked you to do as a pre-reading for the semester, is to think about how you view the relation between translation practice and theory. So some of you might have already done some translation, some of you might have actually been professionals in some way, shape or form, but how you understand the relation between translation practice and theory. And of course, we're not expecting you to have a very developed sense of translation theory at this point, but I'm just interested in the thoughts that you might have around this. So if you can make some notes on these questions and bring them to the workshop, it will be really interesting to have a group discussion and bring together all of the perspectives that you all will have on this particular topic.